guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing Don't Press the Button. So yeah, let's push play. And by the way, it's not my first time playing this. I actually really like this game. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So let's try doing this again. I believe you had to go to the corner. Okay, anyway, my name is Marissa, and you can please subscribe to me and hit that thumbs up and enjoy the video. And you can also follow me on my profile at Marissa Plays. I don't normally get too many followers, but it's fine. You can follow me if you want to. Yeah. So run away from the tornado. Ah! Okay. Yeah. My and Free are not in this video today, and it's actually okay. I don't wanna. Okay. Anyway, I'm not saying this. But why are the Why is the other thing still going on? Like the other. Oh my god. Is this my game lagging or what is happening right now? Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I'm Team Red. I'm Team Red. Okay, Team Red. Well, here we go, No. Oh, these blue people keep putting this blue on our red, but you can do that. We'll just do this. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Time's up. Team blue one. Okay, whatever. Cause I don't like these people. Okay, let's press the button. There we go. Press the button. Try to flip your tables. Ah! I hate this one. But begin. Flip. Oh my god. I hate that you can't do this faster. Oh my god. Flip. Ah! Oh my god. Flip. Oh! What in the world? Okay. Quick, get into the hole! Oh no! Oh my god, okay. I just got a notification on my phone. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. It's nothing really serious. Oh! No. Oh no. Okay, what is it? What is this gonna be? Oh god! Dodge the incoming lasers! No! Oh my god. Am I lagging? Don't tell me I'm lagging. Okay, looks like I'm lagging quite a lot. Oh my god! What? How dare he? I see the person with the sword. Okay, let's press the button. Oh, okay. Someone. Oh, tsunami incoming! No, I hate this one. Hey. God. Oh my god! I didn't make it. I was so close. No! Oh, again? Oh my god. I think. Oh, okay, it's not again. Okay, let's press the button. There. Oh, I didn't press the button. Okay, whatever. Oh my god, what? Ha! Oh! No, why? Oh my god. No, why am I this little box thingy? Oh god, okay. Okay, I'm just like making sure I don't have any lags or anything like that. So I'm just gonna like put it up in the little corner. That. Now I can go. Okay. Ah! Oh! Oh my god. Okay, one more. I'm having some issues. Okay. It's stuck now. We're fine. Oh my gosh! I think this is a new game. They never told us about that. Oh! Uh-oh! The button disappeared! Ah! We gotta find the button. Oh! Hello? Did we get another notification? Yay, I love notifications. Not really. Okay. Oh, I see the button! Yay! My cherry place found the button! Yay! Okay. Oh my god, I love this like thing. Spam the click button! In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, okay. Go! Okay, I'm spamming the click button. I'm gonna get really close to it. Spamming the click button. Spamming. Good job. The results are 89 times. Okay, not what I expected, but sure. Okay, there we go. I just pressed the button. Watch out! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, yeah. Okay, what? Approve. What happens if you go in it? Oh my gosh! Okay, let's go in. Ew! Oh my god! Get ready to flip your tables! No way! Why am I still like this? No! Why am I still like this? Ew! I'm like a stick. This is gross. Ew! Oh my god! Oh my god! This person was trying to kick me off. I never did anything to you. But let's go ahead. Ah! Oh my god, why am I still this little stick figure? What am I doing? What is happening? Okay, can I please go back to my regular rabbit? Ew. Oh, whoa. Bruh, I'm fast. Oh my god, why am I so thin? Can I just go back to my regular? It looks so weird. Why did I do that? Why did I literally go in that pot? Oh my god, ew, this is ew, yuck, ew, oh my god, ew, oh no, okay, we're experiencing some lag, oh! Why do I go 10 times slower? Oh my god, oh my god. Can I please go back to my regular self? It has a sword. Avoid them until the round ends. Oh my god, okay. I'm by here all by myself. I look so weird. Okay. Can you reset in this game? Because I gotta reset. I need my regular avatar. Ew. Okay. Finally, oh my god, finally. Oh, get on the yellow platform! Quick! Ah! Oh my god, that's all the time we got to do that. Oh my god. Ah! Try not to get that! It's a seeker. Oh my god, okay. Oh, someone's following me. Oh, okay, that's not the seeker. It's not the seeker. But I guess they're just following me, and since they... Oh, that's the person. Bruh, that's the person. I just led someone right to that person. Oh my god, I'm pure evil. I didn't do it on purpose though. Oh my god. Okay. Let's do this thing. Oh my god. Oh, dead. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my gosh. Let's just click the button. And what is it? Oh, what? What in the what? What am I supposed to do? What was I supposed to do? Yay. Yay. And we're also experiencing a lot of lag. Awesome. Yay. Ugh. Yay. Anyway. Oh my god, there's so much construction going on. Like there's so much of background noise because there's so much of construction going on. And okay, what about oh my god, I thought someone had the sword. Run away from the tornado! No! I hate this one. No! Oh my god. Oh! What in the world? Alright, anyway. I try to upload on my channel every day, but it is kind of difficult, so yeah. Right now I'm filming. Of course, everyone knows that I'm filming. Oh my god. Oh! Yay! I like this one when I actually have a regular human body. Okay, a regular human body. I have a regular human body. I'm just gonna stand here right next to the button so I can be the first one to push it. What? Oh my god. Oh, okay. There we go. I got the click button. Oh, what? Ha! The cake is a lie. What just happened? Okay, just click the button. Get ready to push each other with a blow dryer. 3, 2, 1. I am actually really good at this one. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh, yes, I won. I won. Oh my god. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, this is yay. Yay, I won. I won. Uh-oh, the fire extinguisher. Oh my god, someone already got the fire extinguisher. I knew it. Stop the fire. Okay, kitty. I'm not giving them a shout out. Oh, I kind of just did give them a shout out for free. I guess. Okay, anyway. Oh my gosh. Oh, damn it. Give me. And guys, sorry about all the lag in the video. My video is probably gonna have lag like all my other videos have lagged. Oh god. Okay. Yay! Okay, I made it up! Oh my god, I made it up. What? Is this tsunami still gonna hit me? Yeah! I made it. Yes, queen. Oh! Oh, yay! I got some coins. Okay, anyway. Get ready to push each other off with the blow dryer. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, go! Begin! Whoa! Begin! Ah! I'm the queen of this game, alright? I'm the queen! Yes! Okay. There we go! Push everyone off. Push everyone off. Push everyone off. Okay, my game is lagging like literally so much. Okay, push, 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 push with a blow dryer. Push, push. Ah! Oh my god, that was literally so close. Oh, I guess.